Guys, welcome in this new video. Today we are walking with a dog that you just saw. Sorry for that mobile camera because I'm recording my damn phone. Yeah, car just passed, no problem. So that will be the main part of the video where I will talk and walk a dog. So enjoy. So as mentioned, today I'm walking a dog. So needed me to walk myself too, not just with the dog but myself too. Just because also walking is a good way of some sport. It may be basic, but it's still better than nothing to walk sometimes. You know, I should walk more, but anyways, and so I managed to also ask you how are you today, and this time I'm pretty well, I would say. Enjoying life for now, and doing sometimes some videos, not that often as I should, but and I now think about to make some more videos on this channel, and I would start to create more on my Slovak channel too. So it would be about similar videos. So because I think that if I did a lot of dogs barking around, no problem. So I thought that combining both channels, in a way that recording on both would be a good idea. So this always happens. He thinks that he can walk while he can't, and that is easily done, but sometimes it's hard with this dog. Anyways, interesting fact that no one asked about that. Some dogs have intelligence of a 3 years old child, so but anyways, so and as mentioned, I plan to do also Christian content on both channels, where it can be that on English channel here it would be more explained, complex, while in Slovak it will be complex and explained to you, but it will be probably a bit less than here, or I could do less videos of that on Slovak channel. So this channel can be Christian, and so I meant that on Slovak channel it could be a bit less videos with a Christian theme, or about the same as here in English, but I personally need to make video in Christian niche on both channels to see how it would mostly go, and then I'll simply decide on how it will go. Also, it could be like that I record a video in one team and do it on English and Slovak channel, and practically by that it would open a space where I give the space about commenting on what type of Christian videos would you guys love to make or to see. So then I'll prepare those videos, record it, edit it a bit, adding the gaming there, so it will be like Christian gaming, because it wouldn't be just one specific niche, but combination of several types of niche totally. So it won't be like the boring one. Like playing, like probably some gamers would love to see a Christian video while me playing a video game and explaining some Christian niche, like niche like where and when God created Earth, and why is there evil on this world, and some other interesting types of videos, like when people think that why, if God is so good, there is evil in this world, which is pretty easy to explain. So but I don't know, it would be a great idea to make those types of videos. So that's all what I wanted to tell you today, and practically this would be the end of the video. If you want, leave a like and subscribe, it might help me, and I'll be happy to tell that what do you would love to see in those Christian themes, and about which specific part of Christianity you want to hear me explaining. So that's the end of the video. See you later, and enjoy the life and do what you love. See ya.